Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this a small video about the New Zealand dollar and index and the trades. I made the video yesterday about the USD dollar index and the trades, right? And I said in that video that I'm going to make another video for the New Zealand dollar index, what happened to it, and the trades, and the Aussie dollar index later on. I'll make the separate video so you can clearly see how it works. So now New Zealand dollar index chart, let's get started here. We started the week on the September 21st, was Monday. So this chart was made on Sunday, before a day before week started on Monday. Even though the market opens on Sunday evening, but I do the webinar on Sunday 4 p.m. right? So I made this chart and I explained it to my subscribers that this is a very, very good chart and this is what's going to happen. And then we're touching the TL, we're supposed to come down to 29.76. In doing so, the New Zealand dollar is going to be getting weaker. And obviously, you have several pairs where the New Zealand dollar is either on the right-hand side or the left-hand side. Now, the pairs that the New Zealand dollar is on the right-hand side, for example, Pound New and Euro New. And where it's on the left-hand side, those pairs are USD and Yen. So two pairs, the Pound New and Pound New and Euro New will go up, and the other two will go down. Now, the other two, New USD and New USD and New Yen, I didn't watch this week. Okay, they were not on my radar. Taking trade, but the Pound New and Euro New were always. They're always. So what happened to them? All right. So the question is that if it start dropping here, did I take any trade according to the plan? Right. The idea is to make a plan and have a plan and then trade your plan. People say that plan your trade and then trade your plan, right? So I was planning this trade here, and what happened to this chart basically is we came all the way down here, and 29.76 we basically touched and start bouncing. We touched it, this number exactly, right? I think I missed that the next chart, and then the trades I did when it was coming down, Pound New and Euro New were going up. So let's see the trades. The first one was on Monday, right? When the market started on Sunday and then goes into Monday. You'll see this long here, buy. This is buy entry as I move to break even, right? And it went all the way up because of the New Zealand dollar weakness started. This is for 85 pip. This is Euro New. Then the next one is a big one here, Pound New. The entry you can see here on 23rd. And look what happened to this one, right? All the big day and a big trade, 190 pips. It's all because, not only because of the Pound New weakness, but Pound got strong as well, and this pair went bazooka, right? And knowing the daily range and the factors behind these moves, you can hold on to the trade. Not like, you close here or here, 30, 40 pip and, small chart. If you know what's happening really, then it's very easy to hold these things to this long. 150, 200 pip trade, I always catch all the time. And that's how it is, because the daily range and the range of the pair. These pairs are monster. They move big. They're not like USD. Some of the USD pair, even your USD, is nothing compared to these pairs. Right? Then, so this is the second one. Let's take a look at the third one. Euro New trade again, and this was on the 23rd as well. News came out, and there was a Euro News helping. Euro New going, it was going as it is to the upside, but then on the 23rd, the buy entry here, right, and it is for 135. And then the last one I had this on the 24th yesterday. Just this was the first one, 190 pip, right? Then small dip again, and then going again up, 115 pip. And today I'm relaxing because today is Friday and it's a dangerous day, right? So these 4 trades only in this week, between these two pairs, and you can total the amount of pippage. Okay, here's 35, then 190, almost 75, right? 375. Is it 75? Yeah. 80. No. What am I? What am I confusing, man? What happened to my math? All right, 85. So that's 190, and I was right. So that's adding 200, so it's 375, and that's 410 and 525. Right? So these are the pivots in these two pairs, just because of this chart that I had already in hand before the week started. And I said, well, this is going to happen. And let's go take a look the currently what happened. Okay, current chart. Okay, not only these two pairs, but the other two, I said, no, USD and NZD yen gonna go down. So look, this is what happened. I didn't trade them, but I'm showing you that entries were there. I wasn't watching these two pairs, but look at this entry here on the 22nd. Beautiful entry here. This is NZD USD, and then on the 23rd, 22nd entry, 23rd entry, and then the other pair as NZD yen right here. These are the entries. This is on 21st. It started here. Look at the entry here. Then the entry here on the 22nd. Then the entry here on the 23rd. 22nd just didn't move, but then yeah, SL never hit either, right? So clean trades, and two pairs went up, two pairs went down because of that small chart, the weekly chart of NZD dollar index. Similar thing happens to Aussie dollar. Pound Aussie and Euro Aussie went flying to the upside because Aussie started getting weaker, and Aussie yen, because Aussie on the left hand side went down. I'll make another video showing those trades and the chart, the Aussie index chart, so you can see clearly that what is going on, what happens. And then if you can master this, if you can understand, then you control everything. I mean, you have in hand all of these four pairs were in my hand, but I only traded two pairs and still came out with 500 pips. Between these two pairs, between four trades, only in 1 week. I could have done all of these too, but you don't need to really. You have pick and choose, and you can simply choose the best pairs, the best trades, and just take them, and that's the end of the story, right? So if you want to master this, you want to learn all about it. This is the NZD. Let's see the current chart of NZD. No, not this. What happened to the? Let me go on the weekly chart of NZD USD to see exactly what's happening now, because it came down and it hit that level and bounced, and now it's bouncing and going up. You see this here? This, no, not here. This right there, right? So these are the levels. The highs and the lows are very important. Look what happened before. It came down exactly touching this line and then going back up for the TL. And then this is what I said, that it's going to come down and hit this level here. And look what happened. Exactly, it came down, it touched the level, and then pulling back. Now it's not going to go all the way up, because it's just a pullback after touching these levels. And then eventually next week it's going to drop again. And then the target would be 27.73. And then doing so, NZD dollar will get weaker again, and then the Euro NZD, pound NZD will go up, and then NZD USD, the same thing will happen again. Rinse, repeat, right? And this system gives you solid entries, solid understanding. And look at this NZD dollar index showing that I'm dropping, buddy, right here, right? So these are short setups. So as soon as you see these short setup, you know that NZD dollar is going to get weaker, and now you have four beautiful trades in your hand. Pound NZD, Euro NZD will go up, NZD USD and NZD yen will go down. So you go and take a look at those, find the setup, and take those setups. Simple as that. All right. So if you want to learn all of that, just go on my website, subscribe, and if you are very new and you need help understanding the whole forex market and all that, then you can sign up for a one-on-one course. It's available there, 10-hour on Skype, or any other like webinar kind of thing that you can watch my screen, and I personally teach you every single thing. not only this system, but the whole line yard forex, from A to Z, harmonic patterns, Elliott waves, support resistance, trend lines, how to draw this, that, how to do this, that, everything. And you take it from there. So this is the current chart, and even see, I have monthly chart that gives you the templates, all of these monthly templates, weekly templates, so you can have it. You see this big picture, you can see now that we are just starting to drop from the top, right? So we can easily go down here 26 42. It's a long distance, and we just bounced from this number, went up again. It's kind of doji here, dragonfly doji, so it's a bearish candle, and if you do not go above these numbers here, then we're going to drop again, and you know what happens, what's going to happen in the dollar. So this is how it is. Like I said, again, go myforexmagicwave.com, and if you want to be a part of it, so take it from there. Right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend, which is coming after today. Right. Okay. Bye for now, and talk to you guys later.